The elevator's at 205 West Wacker. It's got a really low down call station. That's weird. It's got Adam's VR. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Oh wow, this is the service car. Look at that. You can see the other ones. Let's head up to 23. These were originally armor. This one's shaky. Look at that. There's a hatchway. Send it down to B. Actually, no. Let's go down to like 10. So you can transfer to the low rise. There's your buttons. Adam's VR. $15. Close enough. Sorry. You going down?
Waiting for the next one.
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You have a good one. Oh, weird. This place has a 13th floor. Alright. Oh, wow. Look at that beautiful lantern. That is so cool. Alright. Let's head down to the low-rise bank. We'll end it on 1. Here we got just plain Adams. Only 3 in this bank. Ooh. 1 chime. What a beautiful lantern.
Floor number 10. Going down.
Here's your buttons. And 2-1. What a nice elevator. These are beautiful.
Floor number 1. Going up.